All right, guys. We are. Who wants to? Barrett doesn't want to be on. That's fine. Barrett, you're on this side, honey. All right. Hey, guys. So, vlog for today. We are going to take a look because. Hi, guys. Because. Okay, one more wave. We were here last night, Josh and I, for date night, and realized that there's some really exciting things, but we were on the phone with, okay, go. We were on the phone with the general contractor, and so it just really wasn't convenient to be vlogging all of that while that was happening. Actually, we were on FaceTime with him, and so we were going through some stuff last night. But today, just to kind of catch you up on the progress and where we're at, we closed on our equipment loan today, so that was exciting. We can start buying the things that we need to kind of fill the gaps between, you know, new Marley, new bars, new tumbling mats. Of course, we'll be using what we can from our old Cedar Falls location, but we are going to try to, or we're going to have to get some new stuff as well. All right, let's flip. I suppose. Yeah. Nope. Okay. We're in the middle of a vlog, dudes. Did you forget? All right, Bo, can you open his too? These two goofies, they've been at Camp ADC all week during the day. It's been pretty fun. They're, I think, a little bit, they're not used to spending all day together though. So, all right, let's flip you around and see what we got going. Hey. All right. That area is getting mudded in. Your future is now. Lots of drywall stuff happening, it looks like. Starting to come together. Doing some work here. This is new and exciting since last time I vlogged. They broke up a bunch of concrete here to get us electric under the desk. So, reception desk will have electric. We can connect to the computers and stuff like that. All right, guys, now we're going to go ahead and stop and we're going to head upstairs because there's a lot of exciting things, a lot of exciting stuff upstairs, all right? So we're going to head on up. All right, guys, we are upstairs, took the elevator, and we're going to show you some really exciting stuff. What, Brooksy? That cart? Yep, that's new. That wasn't there. Yeah? All right, watch your step a little bit. All right, guys, it's about to get exciting. So here we are this is studio, I don't know what color. I got to label these studios so I remember which one's what color. I know. Brooks, you didn't know this happened, did you? I know, that's why I said it's exciting stuff. Be really careful as you walk around, okay, guys? There's a lot of metal pieces and stuff. So that wall came down, and now we are opened up so that we have converted 2 classrooms into a studio. This studio and the one that kind of mirrors it on the other side have this little bump out area in the back. That'll probably be where we put cubbies and things like that. This wall is supposed to have mirrors on it. I think I forgot that this pole was here, so that might get a little interesting. Didn't think about that, but that is supposed to be the mirror wall anyway in this studio. All right, guys, let's go check out another one. There's a lot of exciting things up here. Okay. Here's another one. Come on in, guys.
Know what happened now.
Yeah. So here's another one. Mirror wall is going to be on the wall you're seeing right now. And yes, it's not an even wall. It kind of juts forward and back, but that's totally fine. We'll just have the mirrors run all the way up to where you see, like right there. We'll just have the mirrors run all the way right up to that, and then they'll go on the wall there. Probably bars, you know, kind of along this wall. All right. And some of this, you know, as it starts to get opened up, I feel like we're going to get better and better ideas of exactly where we want to put things like shoe cubbies and teacher station, where are we putting the music and stuff like that. All right, let's go out. Sarah, be really careful when you're walking by that installation, please. All right, guys. This one is the one that kind of mirrors the one that we saw first up here. This one, I can't really get in the corner because it's like the Mount Everest of insulation, but you can kind of see what we've got going on in here. So this one and the one that I showed you first pretty much match each other. They just mirror each other. All right. Are you practicing? How is it for dancing?
No, I was doing with that.
I know. Is it good for dancing? Yeah?
Yeah, that's it. And those steps at the Marley.
Good dancing. They're trying it out. All right.
Hey, Mom. Yeah, there's nothing going outside.
Brooks is going to show you the next one. No, we got to show him this one quick. There's still another one on this side. This is the big studio, the black studio. I showed you this one on the last vlog. However, there were still 2 walls that kind of had the studs in them, and now we're down to just 1 wall that still has the studs in it. So getting more and more open. Yeah, just walk right through that wall. Isn't that crazy? It's the little things. Friends, really be careful and watch where you're walking, okay? All right. Let's go check out the other side. We haven't... Brooks, please. Okay. On the other side, I believe it's the green studio that's over there. We... last night, yeah, it was just last night. This week has been a weird week for me, but just last night when we were here, that wall was not out. So we're going to take a look and see if by chance that one happens to be out yet. So I'll flip you around. Headed over to the other half of the upstairs. Nope, that wall's still there. See with the blue, it's not really an X, it has the line on it. They have to go check it out. If it's still here on this side, it's still there on that side. All right, and then just kind of a review. Remember that last door on the left there, right there? That is a studio that is just going to be left. It was a large classroom to begin with, so that one doesn't have anything happening to it. It's just a classroom, buddy. And then up here we have the art room. Okay, we have the art room, we have the photography room, we have the storage room. Okay, vocal lessons. So a lot of different things happening on this side, whereas most of the dance studios are on the other side. This will be the daytime supplementary preschool program. All right, guys, you ready?
Yeah, to go?
All right, guys, well, down we go. It's super exciting to see those rooms get opened up and ready to become studios. All right, we'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, one more little thing, just for my own memory. So we were sitting here, we're waiting on my husband to pick the boys up. This is just kind of our crazy life of he's leaving a meeting, he's coming here, picking the boys up. I have a work thing that I have to go to this evening. So we were having just a little like snack from Culver's, and the boys have decided to have a dance off. just want to remember these moments. So these boys, from the time they've been born, have kind of grown up in the dance studios, and it's just kind of been a fun, unique thing for them. So I wanted to document it. Bye, guys. Now we're officially ending the vlog for today. Bye, guys.